Hi guys! For today's video ay ire-review natin ang More Gold online cash app. So ayon nga sa kanilang mga ads, ang app na ito ay hindi nangangailangan ng maraming personal information para makapag-loan. All you have to do is follow the steps. Give your cell phone number, then they will send you a verification code, create your password, and then click register. Then they will require you facial recognition, access permission. Pagkatapos niyan, lalabas ang mga product list. Choose your disbursement channel. Then confirm loan. Tapos. Pagkatapos niyan, pwede ka ulit pumili ng mga product list na gusto mo kahit ilan ang gusto mo pwede mong applyan. Then choose again your disbursement channel, confirm your loan, and then that's it. Napakadali. So in my case, dalawa yung in-applyan ko. Ang problema doon ay hindi mo malalaman kung magkano ang makukuha mo. Sa 3,500 na in-applyan mo, 2,000 lang ang matatanggap mo. So meaning 3,500 minus 2,000 equals 1,500 ang processing fee. Napakalaki, which is 75% siya ng perang matatanggap mo. So 2,000 divided by 3,500 yung babayaran mo, ang matatanggap mo is only 57% of the money na babayaran mo. At ang pinakamasaklap sa lahat, a day before your due date, they will send you many reminding text messages. And on your due date, umagang-umaga, grabe mga text messages, grabe napakaraming tawag, hinaharas ka na magbayad ka na ngayon na kahit naman you have all the day to pay your loan. Never ever try this loan app. Hindi siya nakakatulong. Dahil sa laki ng processing fee, you have to pay for 7 days. And the worst is, they have a very unprofessional and very rude customer service. This loan application is a very big scam. I also want to share a friendly advice to any one of you here na kapag may problema kayo sa pera, kailangan nyo ng pera, kung may iba kayong option maliban sa pag-loan online, huwag nyo nang gawin kasi grabe ang interest sa online loans. Hindi siya nakakatulong. If you find this video helpful to you, please like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next video for another review.